Okay.
Ah, yes. Oh. Timmy. Oh. What the? What is this? I wonder what this is. It's a printer, my new printer.
Oh, okay. That sounds great.
Stupid thing. Scan. Black. Oh, it's... Get away from your printer! This is mine! Yeah, it's ducky. Yes! Oh, stupid. Ooh, paper! You go down. Die! Ah! And it successfully worked. Woo! Well, I have a card. I got this in the used one. From someone named Brian. Hero Brian? No, not Hero Brian. Brian. Oh, Brian Shavani. So it's pretty neat. Oh, lining this up in the wall. It's a picture. Okay. Thank you, Mario.
You're welcome.
Ah. Oh. Turn. Ah. Stupid thing. Here. I can't even turn up the... You can't even turn it?
Oh, you can't even turn it on?
Yeah, because of my stupid hands. They're like circles. Stupid. I hate it. Hi, Patrick. What?
Patrick is dumb.
Patrick.
It's dumb, and I want gum.
Get out of here.
Then I go to gym every day.
Okay, shut the video off.